Hello everyone and welcome back to my very broke nighttime routine. So I already cleansed my face with a Garnier cleanser and I'm hydrating my face with a very light moisturizer, and I'm topping it and sealing the moisture in with some OG product, Vaseline. Applying some on my lips because ain't nobody got time to buy some Laneige lip balm treatment, and
ain't nobody got time for that.
Undoing my pigtails, and I'm fighting my hair because it's so dry and it's reaching Sahara and Gobi Desert level of dryness. And I'm also putting some rosemary, not miel, because it's so expensive. And remember, we broke. Don't go and buy products and make you cannot afford your rent because of trends. Okay, I'm buying a very natural rosemary oil coming from straight from Haiti, and I'm applying Kentu on my hair. Yes, Kentu living conditioner on my hair. Y'all gonna see how it's gonna look. White cracker. Let me tell you something, Kentu. Stop acting like you are for white people, because you are doing the same effect a white people's sunscreen is doing on my face, and I'm not here for it. So do something about it, because you know well my hair is black. Why is your product as white? I'm not taking any of your excuses. Do something. It's been years people have been complaining about that, but it works, you know. I cannot complain too much because it removes frizziness and dryness out of my hair, so I feel very good about it. And I'm trying to do a half up, half down situation and wrapping my hair up in a bonnet. Scarf, but ain't nobody care about that. And look at me. Look at her. She's too moisturized and hydrated to give a fuck about anything. Look at her. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you. Good night.